How are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Shall I begin the interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Ashwini. I will take your IELTS interview. And we'll begin with the introductory part. Firstly, tell me your full name.
So my full name is Ritika Sharma.
And how may I call you?
So you can call me Ritika.
Can I see your ID?
Sure, sir.
Okay, Ritika, thank you. Ritika, are you a student or you work?
Sir, I'm a student. I'm working on my English communication skill, and to improve those skills, I'm taking certain classes.
Now I'll ask you some questions about occupation. What do you want to become in your life?
Sir, in my life, in my past, I have done work in manufacturing unit of pharmaceutical company, where I worked as an marketing executive, and I want to gain more knowledge and wanted to work with a high reputative company and gain a certain level in my company.
Is there anyone who inspired you to be something in your life?
Yes, sir. My father is my biggest inspiration. He was in Indian Air Force, and I am extremely inspired from him, because he has motivated me to do my work and stay independently.
So what are you doing currently to achieve your goal?
Sir, as if now I have planned to do my further study from abroad. So I am working on my English communication skills so that I can attain my desired band from my IELTS, and then went to abroad for my further studies.
What special skills do you require to accomplish your target?
Sir, as if now I am working on my English communication skills, so the main criteria I am lying right now is English communication. So I want to improvise that. Apart from it, I want to gain more confidence so that I can face any situation accordingly.
Do you have any second preference for your career?
Sir, in my perspective, a person should be give more focus to their goal, and I am very concerned about my first goal, and I don't believe in plan B.
Now I'll ask you some questions about parties and celebrations. Do you like to attend parties or other social events?
Yes, sir. I do like being a part of a party so that I can socialize with other people and gain some more knowledge about what's going on in trend.
What do people usually celebrate in your area for?
In my area, people do get-togethers and do birthday parties. Apart from it, ceremonies like marriage and other. So they do such kind of events, and they invite people and share their reviews. And apart from it, they create memorable moments.
What activities do you enjoy at such occasions?
Sir, here I would like to talk about a party that I have recently been a part of. It's a birthday party where very amazing decoration have been done, and various activities like dancing and runs and some things to play, like activities like dance around the chair and things like this. This kind of activity I like to do.
Okay, when and where did you attend a party last time?
So last time I was a part of party in Prem Plaza, and it was a kitty party, and where I went with my sister, and we had an amazing time with others.
So are you planning any such event in near future?
Yes, sir, for sure. If possibly, if I get the desired band score, I will definitely throw a party and invite my near dears.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Let's move to part 2, which is a cue card. You can make notes for 1 minute, then you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Describe a situation when you waited for something. When it happened, what you waited for, and how you felt at that time and how you reacted when your wait was over.
Good morning everyone, I'm Sahil Rani. I'm here in your English Teacher Institute. When I took admission in this institute, I was not able to communicate with anyone in a fluent manner. But with the help of this amazing teamwork, I'm capable to communicate with anyone in a fluent manner, and it also boosts my confidence level. Thank you for everyone to help me in my weak areas.
Okay, Ritika, speak up.
Undoubtedly, sir, there is various time when person needs to wait for something. Sometimes it's maybe a person or sometimes it's maybe a thing. Here I would like to talk about an instance that I wait for my train. It happens last month when me and my husband was in Udaipur for 2 to 3 day visit. We roam around and have great fun and went to various places like Fateh Sagar Lake and Lake Pichola. Later on, when we are planning to come back by train, we have noticed that after arriving on station, we get the intimation that our train is late by 4 hours, and that time of train was 7 p.m. but later on it comes at 10 p.m. and it was a huge too much time to spend on a place that where we don't know anyone, and we waited at station, and we talk to spend that time. We talk about the time we have spent and the picture we clip. We keep watching on them, but it was a little frustrating experience, and by the time we also became little irritated because it was a winter time and it was not practically possible to wait on station for more than 5 hours.
Let's move on to follow-up questions.
Yes, sir.
It is often heard that time is money. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir, I do agree with this, cause if you have seen a businessman cannot afford to be late just because of some traffic or some any other problem, cause it may cost a amount, cause he or she may be missed his or her appointment. So I think time is extremely precious.
Do people manage time more efficiently now compared to past?
I think yes. Nowadays people totally focus on their time management because they have their smartphone in which they can schedule their task for the day. Apart from it, in the busy schedule, people don't have time to waste. So I think they are more focused on time management.
Is it hard to avoid time wastage in present life?
No, I don't think it is hard to avoid time wastage, because nowadays people are so much engaged in their activities that they don't have time to waste because they are extremely busy. Apart from it, in some profession, hardly people get time on weekend to spend the time with their family. So I don't believe this statement is right.
Do you find technology helpful in saving time?
Yes, I totally believe that, because technology have been a great helper for a human being, and with the help of technology we have saved lot of time. For example, to calculate we use calculator, and that save our lot of time. Apart from it, it is quite accurate also.
Suggest some ways by which people can possibly save their precious time.
According to my understanding of situation, I think a person can utilize their time by managing their time and dividing the equal time with their work, and spare some time for their family so that he or she can totally enjoy the moments and feel a bit relaxed.
Okay, Ritika, this is the end of your speaking test. And in feedback, you need to work little more on your grammar, because you are committing some grammatical mistakes, and also on the pronunciation of certain words that you used. And you used a term like phrase as if now. It's not as if now, as of now,
As of now.
right? It's as of now. And the word intimation, it's intimation, not intimidation, it's intimation. And you tend to speak little fast. You don't need to do it. You can lower down your rate of speech. Earlier as well I told you this. And think about better words and better grammatical accuracy. So this is something you need to work upon. Otherwise the ideas are good, but the presentation of those ideas need to improve.
Yes.
Okay, and work on the grammar aspect. This is the main area. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay Ritika.
Thank you so much, sir.